What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the SWILL Tech and Investments channel. All right, so we're going to be doing an unboxing for the SteelSeries Stratus XL Windows and Android controller. All right, so those of you guys that like to play first-person shooters, if you're like me, you don't like to put your finger on the screen and you're going to miss something and it's not really precise. Like you might have like a little bit of oil in your hand, or your hand might be too dry. Your screen might be messed up. This is the solution for you guys, for those people that do that. Now, this is not a sponsored video at all, okay? Now, this one is good for Windows, Android, and VR. So if you have a VR headset, this is going to be working for you guys hands down. I promise you. And I tried one before, and I said, you know what? I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so this is what it looks like in the back. And I got me a used one for some reason. I don't know. I didn't think I ordered one on Amazon used, but they gave me a used one. However, I'm not mad about it. I did use it, and it does work. Okay, and that's my biggest thing. I don't like used things. All right, so it feels comfortable in your hands, ladies, for hours of gaming. Let's see. Just like on your console, clickable analog joysticks are the only way to game. 40+ hour battery life, so you can play on and on. Now, what I would recommend is rechargeable batteries. If you're gonna do that for that thing there. It says no complications, fully supports X input and direct input for thousands of games on Windows 7 and up. Okay, it is you connect by Bluetooth. Now some people say, well, Swill, why don't I just use an Xbox controller or a PlayStation controller? Yeah, absolutely, you can do that 100%, no problem. You can do that. Now, the only thing is, sometimes those controllers don't work for every single game, or there's a limited quantity of games that those controllers work. So why not diversify yourself and go for what you can? All right, that's pretty much that. It's got some pretty decent packaging. I just like the way the controller looked. And if you guys do want to get a controller just like this, I'll have a link in Amazon for you guys in the description down below. All right, so it has this little slick little box right here, which is really cool. I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. Cool packaging. It's not like out of unordinary. And then we have our actual controller right there. Okay. So let's put this to the side over here. We'll keep that there. All right. And this is the controller itself. Comes with 2 AA batteries. Doesn't come with a charging cable or a micro SD card. It's got the instructions right there. But yeah, the controller really does have a familiarity to like an Xbox One controller and whatnot. Almost a PlayStation, almost. But the buttons are pretty easy to go to. They don't feel cheap. This just looks so cool. The little orange accents that are on here. You got your battery meter here. You can check, I guess you can check the battery status. You got your pairing mode right here for your Bluetooth. You got L1, L2, R1, R2, Y, X, A, B. You got your back, forward, and you got the one. This button will take you out of your. It'll take you out of your, back to your Windows, your home screen on your phone, okay? Then you have your directional pad as well. So yeah, it's got a lot of stuff, man. So also, you got your little battery compartment here. Put your 2 AA's in there. And then you have your micro SD part right here, so you can actually upgrade or update your firmware for your actual controller itself. So you're gonna have a lot of possibilities there, guys. Endless possibilities. Now, the only thing as of today, which is October, I think 14th, something like that. Yeah. As of today, if you guys play Call of Duty Mobile, there is no controller support for that game yet. I think there's some other kind of things you would have to do on the side for that to actually function properly. But they will have controller support. So this controller will be working with that game. This is why I bought it. I bought it specifically for that game. But it doesn't work right now. But it's all good. But I do know that they will be working pretty soon. All right, so if you do use this SteelSeries, or you know some tricks or some tips, or what kind of games you play with your SteelSeries if you do, or what kind of games you play with a controller, period, guys, I definitely want to hear from you guys. Make sure you guys put those in the comments below. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for checking out today's video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys drop a like and also subscribe to the channel if you have not, and also make sure those notification bells are turned on. And please don't forget to check out our Facebook and Twitter. The link will be in the description down below.